Hi, I'm Dr. Saab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery for this style Mercedes key. Big thank you to Lucas Mercedes Benz of Wolverhampton for helping me make this video possible. Now, if you own a Mercedes key that's like this, then check out the videos on the top right corner, or see the videos in the description on how to replace the battery for these style keys. Now I'm going to show you how to change the battery for this style key. Now if you own an AMG or maybe a different type of Mercedes with a slightly different chrome finish, don't worry, the instructions will still be the same. So all I'll do is turn the key around, push this silver button to release this blade. Now I can put that down, the blade, and all I need to do now is pull this plastic cover off. And what I want to do is, before I replace the battery, you can see CR2032. So that's what this battery is in this key. Now, what you can do is go to your local Mercedes Benz dealership and get the correct battery type. Now, this one is a CR2025. So this is for the older style Mercedes key. But this is what it'll kind of look like, but it'll say CR2032. Now, what I'm going to do is use the blade, and I'm going to push just here. That's going to release this clip, and now you can see there's the battery. And all I'll do to get that battery out is just do that, and you can see that's popped out. Then all you want to do is replace the battery by putting it in and making sure the positive is this side where the text is. Give it a good push to make sure it's in there. So that's nice and snug in there. And then what I want to do is put this lid back on. So make sure these ends are in this corner. Give that a push. Hear that clip? That means it's now fitted on. And then to put the cover back on, you see these ends here? Make sure that goes to the bottom, just there. Give that a push. There we go, that's fitted. And then all I'll do is put the blade back in. Once that's in, just give it a pull just to make sure that's fitted. And there we go. That is how you replace the battery for this style key. And just press the lock button just to make sure that it's working. And you'll notice that LED, that's working. That's how you replace the battery for this style key. I will be making a video on some tips and tricks that you need to know, so please watch that video by clicking on the top right corner or find it in the description below. Please subscribe, as it helps me and the channel grow and create even more content. Please like this video. Also comment if you have any suggestions or questions. Check out the Mercedes playlist for more videos, including videos on how to use the main features of Mercedes models. Thanks for watching.